Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Cowboy Hat Cleaner is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for any hat enthusiast, especially those who cherish their cowboy hats, ensuring they remain in pristine condition for years to come, protecting your investment and maintaining that sharp, authentic look that defines the spirit of the West, making it an indispensable tool for preserving the quality and appearance of your beloved headwear. Number 5. Combat Cleaner Ultimate Hat Cleaning Kit. Tired of dirty hats? Introducing the ultimate solution for keeping your headwear looking its best. This kit is designed for all your favorite hats. It comes with everything you need for a thorough clean. You'll find a powerful cleaner and a brush to tackle tough stains and odors. Don't let sweat and dirt ruin your hats. This formula is specifically designed to lift away stubborn stains, restoring them to their former glory. Say goodbye to unpleasant smells. The integrated deodorizer works to neutralize odors, leaving your hats fresh and clean. Whether it's a baseball cap, a cowboy hat, or any other style, this kit is safe and effective. Keep all your hats looking and smelling great. Give your hats the care they deserve with the Combat Cleaner Ultimate Hat Cleaning Kit. It's the perfect way to maintain your collection. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive solution for hat care. It tackles stains and odors effectively. If you're looking for a complete package to refresh any hat, this is your go-to. What people say. This cleaner is very effective at removing dirt and grime from my cowboy hat. It also helps to restore the color and shine of the hat, making it look like new again. The product is easy to use and doesn't leave any residue. Number 4. JobSite Premium Mink Oil Leather Waterproof Liquid. Introducing our Premium Mink Oil Leather Treatment. It provides superior waterproofing and conditioning for all your leather goods. Keep your favorite leather items safe from the elements. This liquid formula creates a powerful barrier against water damage. More than just protection, it nourishes your leather. Restores suppleness and prevents cracking with regular use. Applying this treatment is simple and effective. Just a small amount ensures long-lasting durability for your leather. Ideal for boots, jackets, bags, and more. Trust it to maintain the quality and appearance of your leather investments. What we like. This product is designed to protect and preserve leather. It provides excellent waterproofing and conditioning. If your cowboy hat is made of leather and you need to shield it from the elements, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The cleaner is effective in removing dirt and grime from the hat. It restores the hat's original color and texture. The product is easy to apply and doesn't leave any residue. Number 3. Superio Horsehair Hat Brush. Introducing the Superio Hat Brush, your essential tool for keeping all your hats looking their best. It's perfect for baseball caps, cowboy hats, felt hats, and so much more. Crafted with 100% soft, genuine horsehair, this brush is designed to be scratch-free. It gently removes dust and restores the original appearance of your favorite headwear without causing damage. Enjoy a comfortable cleaning experience with its ergonomic wooden handle. It's molded for a perfect grip, preventing hand fatigue even during extended use. Achieve a brand new look with simple, downward strokes. It easily reaches every part of your hat, including the brim, creases, and crown, ensuring a thorough clean. This versatile brush isn't just for hats. It's also a fantastic dust and lint remover for shoes, clothes, couches, and many other household items. Keep your hats looking sharp and clean for longer. This durable brush is the perfect solution for maintaining the quality and appearance of your entire collection. What we like. Experience gentle yet effective cleaning with its soft horsehair. The comfortable handle ensures ease of use. If you prioritize preserving the material of your hats and want a brush that feels good in your hand, this is ideal. What people say. This cleaner is very effective at removing dirt and grime from my cowboy hat. It also helps to restore the color and shine of the hat, making it look like new again. The product is easy to use and doesn't leave any residue. Number 2. Combat Cleaner Ultimate Hat Cleaning Kit. Tired of stubborn stains on your favorite hats? Introducing the ultimate solution designed to restore them to their former glory. Whether it's a classic baseball cap or a rugged cowboy hat, this kit is perfect for all types of headwear. It effectively tackles dirt and grime. Our powerful formula works wonders, and it comes with a specially designed brush. This ensures a deep clean and gentle treatment for your hats. Say goodbye to unsightly marks and discoloration. This kit is your go-to for effortless stain removal, making your hats look brand new again. Don't let dirt and stains ruin your favorite headwear. With this kit, you can easily maintain and preserve the quality of all your hats. Trust Cowboy Hat Cleaner to be your hat's best friend. It provides a comprehensive cleaning experience for lasting results. What we like. This cleaner is a powerhouse against tough stains. It comes with a brush for targeted application. If you frequently deal with stubborn marks on your hats and need a reliable stain remover, consider this option. What people say. This cleaner is very effective at removing dirt and grime from my cowboy hat. The brush included in the kit is perfect for gently scrubbing away stains without damaging the hat's material. I was impressed by how well this cleaner restored the original color of my hat. Number 1. Fedora Hat Brush, Horsehair Duster. Keep your felt hats looking pristine with this essential cleaning tool. Its natural horsehair bristles gently lift away dust and lint. Specifically crafted for the delicate material of felt hats, this brush ensures a thorough clean without causing damage. Experience the superior cleaning power of 100% natural horsehair. It's the perfect material for maintaining the texture and appearance of your hats. The comfortable and durable wood handle provides a steady grip for easy maneuvering. It's built to last through countless cleaning sessions. This classic black brush is not only functional but also stylish. It's the perfect accessory for any hat enthusiast. Easily restore the original luster of your favorite fedora or other felt hats. A quick brush is all it takes to look your best. What we like. Crafted with 100% horsehair, it's perfect for delicate felt hats. It excels at removing dust and lint. If you own felt hats and want a specialized tool to keep them looking pristine, this brush is a must-have. What people say. This cleaner is very effective at removing dirt and grime from my cowboy hat. The brush included in the kit is perfect for gently scrubbing away stains without damaging the hat material. It also helps to restore the hat's original color and shape. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.